The HHPR program houses health, human performance, and recreation. We have 3 master's programs and we have a Ph.D. program. And the interesting thing about our Ph.D. program is that it really gives students an opportunity to specialize in their particular area of interest in the movement sciences.
It's sort of a broad program, so you can kind of choose your area of emphasis within the program, which is one of the things that drew me to it because it incorporated the exercise components and the nutrition components, where a lot of schools really just focus on one or the other.
Our Ph.D. program is ranked among the top Ph.D. programs in the movement sciences across the country.
So generally the first 2 years you're doing coursework in addition to your research, and once you finish your coursework, then you'll just have directed research and then your dissertation hours.
And additionally, if you have an assistantship, you'll be teaching courses.
The different types of research that are done within the department range from exercise physiology, exercise nutrition, biochemical aspects of exercise, and then also health promotion.
I looked all over the country. Baylor was really attractive. It was just very nice to feel like you're welcome and it'd be a safe environment, a nice place where you know they really have your best interests at heart.
This department operates completely on the mentorship model where you identify a mentor before you even begin your program.
And it seems to benefit the students, which is the most important part.
Their door's always open. You can go communicate with them, not just about research or coursework, but just life in general.
On a doctoral level, you're talking about one-on-one mentorship and really developing a relationship that's long-lasting.
He also cares about where our personal lives are headed and how we're doing.
The mentors are really good about allowing you to incorporate your areas of interest into their existing research.
We have students that are interested in sexual health, students that are interested in religion and health, students that are interested in dentistry, pre-med, physician's assistants.
Students working in skeletal muscle, biochemistry areas. Our kinesiology students have had interest in areas working with health outcome research.
There's a lot of different fields, but we're still in the same program. So I study health promotion, but I have an opportunity to work with exercise physiologists and biochemists, and Baylor has a lot of research support in the form of grant opportunities, funding sources, lab space that we can use.
Everyone, regardless of which lab you're in, can come and use the equipment. So I think that sort of fosters an environment of collaboration among the students and then also among the faculty members. There are several labs. There's a cardiovascular and pulmonary function lab. There's a body composition and resting energy expenditure lab. There's a resistance training lab for weight training studies. And there's also a biochemistry lab for more of the benchtop work.
We have been well supported by the graduate school, and we have a number of teaching/research assistantship lines.
Some PhD students are offered a graduate assistantship, which comes with a stipend. We are responsible for teaching undergraduate classes, and then we earn tuition remission and a stipend.
It's a very competitive process, but we get some amazing students, and we're able to support students throughout their doctoral work.
Instead of having to pay for school, I actually get paid every month, which is a huge blessing. So it's great to not only have your school covered, but also receive a monthly check that can help support living costs.
Really, whenever you're applying for jobs, they want to know your teaching experience, and to have 3-4 years of teaching under your belt is really attractive to a lot of places.
One really neat thing about this program is from the very first semester I was here, I was able to teach not only labs, but actually guest lecture and full lecture courses.
I do feel like I have been provided with the tools necessary to go out and do the work on my own, and Baylor has provided me with those.
I chose to come to Baylor because the program is exactly what I wanted to study. I wanted to look at health behaviors around physical activity, and this department offered that, and my mentor studied that, and it was just the perfect fit. So when I was accepted and with a funded position, it was an easy yes.